We're here at AirVenture 2023 in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. And now you are here at AirVenture 2023. And you run across all sort of folks that you just never know when you're going to show up and find folks that you know. And here's a guy that I've known for quite a while, and Jeff Macuga. Jeff.
Hey, good morning, Jeff Macuga. Also up here from Orlando, Florida, Lakeland, Florida as well. And sitting at the tent here the other day on a lawn chair. We don't get a lot of foot traffic past here, but along comes a great friend of mine, Ben Coleman. Just happenstance walked past our tent. So good to see him. You know, I see him all the time down in Florida. And it was just an amazing coincidence that I thought was great.
And Jeff, you're a retired airline. We won't hold that against you.
No, absolutely.
But
yep.
You're also very, very active. You're flying Part 91 corporate.
Yes.
And
Part 91.
Seaplane Pilots Association. Do you have anything to do with these guys?
Seaplane Pilots Association. I'm doing some volunteering with them this week to help them out for all the good they do for seaplanes in general. I'm a lifetime member of the SPA, and boy, I'm sure glad to help them with what they've got going on.
Well, and Jeff, you're helping a whole bunch of people, but also let me kind of pan around here and give everyone kind of an idea on your view here for the event.
We are on the northwest corner of the airport in the North 40. You're looking right here is the approach end of runway 9. And here comes a couple of 27 departures right now. This is the best part of our view here.
But Jeff, I mean, literally, you've got to be here to really fully appreciate the magnitude of the event here.
Whatever we're able to show here, you can't even imagine the size of it. They got airplane noise.
Music.
Yes.
That's music. So that flag over your
Yes.
left shoulder there.
My brother and I have been coming here since 1975, and I can honestly say I have not seen it all. And but we're out here walking. My friend had a what are those step counters on your wrist called?
A Fitbit.
Fitbit, and he got 21,000 steps in yesterday.
Okay.
So,
well, I only walked 8 miles yesterday. But we're going for
Okay.
10 today.
Okay. I just walked till my feet hurt, but
Okay. Well, you can do that. You're retiree.
I can. Yeah, absolutely.
Well, Jeff, thanks for your time this morning.
hey.
We're going to let you get back to your lawn chair there because it was calling you.
You know what? It's almost time to put on my wristband and head over to the other side and see some air show, walk around some booths. But
we'll see you not on the other side in the biblical sense.
in the biblical sense,
but in the local sense.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Ben, thanks for coming by, my friend.
Take care, Jeff.
And everybody, you've got to come up and see this.
Absolutely.
Okay, thanks.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
we're going to see you next interview.